Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is Data Analysis with MI. This channel is focused on helping beginners learn data analysis step by step. In today's video, I'll explain what you actually need to know to become a data analyst. Not the hype, not the buzzwords, but the real fundamentals. Now, what's the job of a data analyst? Like, what do they really do? A data analyst job is not just working with numbers. A data analyst answer questions using data. The why questions, the which question. Take for example, which product performs the best and which customer brings the most revenue. So our job as data analyst is to understand the question, to analyze data, and to explain results clearly. Before Excel, before SQL, before Power BI, what's the most important thing you need as a data analyst? And I'll tell you each analyst mindset. As a data analyst, you must learn how to ask the right questions, be curious about patterns, question data, don't trust it blindly. You also must be ready to think logically. Tools will change, invention of tools will also come, but your mindset does not. What are the core skills every data analyst need? Number one is data cleaning. Most data at first appears to be very messy. You will have missing values, duplicates, wrong formats, so you must be ready to clean your data before you work on them. Also, as a data analyst, you must be ready to compare your values, find trends, identify outliers, and also summarize data using average, total, sum, percentages. We'll learn all of this as we progress on this channel. You must also be able to turn your numbers into charts. This helps non-technical people understand your insights quickly. Also, you need a very good communication skill. This is what separates good analysts from the great ones. You must be able to explain what you found, why it matters, and what decision should be taken next. So, apart from skills, now what are the core tools you would be working with as a data analyst? We have your Excel, which you already know. We have SQL, we have the Power BI, we have the Python, which might be optional as first progress in your career. You will be able to work with them. What do you not need as a data analyst? No advanced maths, no complicated coding, no fancy certifications. All you need are those that I already mentioned in the video. Now, also, you must also know that employers care about what you can do. So, in your journey, you must be ready to build small projects, practice with data sets, build simple dashboard. Every beginner project counts. My final advice for beginners in data analysis is do not rush yourself. Don't compare yourself. Consistency beats speed. If you practice a little every day, you will definitely improve. So if you found this useful today, please don't forget to like the video, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, and leave a comment below. In the next video, I'll see you and we'll begin our data analysis properly. Thank you for tuning in. See you later. Bye.